Alright, you've seen the mock-up. There's what the stitching looks like. I changed the tightness and the way it laced a little bit. I got it going across the divide, going around the corner is the hardest part for laces. I got that all figured out. I really like these ends. I'm definitely going to make them, though, just the point where the tip of the sword's going to be. That's exactly where they need to be. At the end, it's going to definitely be the rabbit fur. I think that's going to give it contrast, and it's going to give 3 different colors for the person to look at. The frog design is going to be done after this, so I can really start playing with colors. But for basic, it's going to be the dark brown with the antique gel, so that this kind of stuff sticks out. It's going to definitely be laced, and like I said, I played around with the lacing a lot, so I know exactly how thick I want it. I like this area here. I do not like how tight it got here, so I definitely did play with that. When I get up to where the rabbit fur is going to be kind of like where this is, where it's actually stitched across here, and then it's going to have a stitch across there, and then at the very top it's going to be stitched. I might actually do a lace. That might actually be cool, and lace it across the top. That might finish into it. So I've still got a little bit to think about that for design. Design as far as the runes, I'm still kind of left in the open about what exactly I want to do, and go with that. But I think this going up and ending in the rabbit fur, which would be here, it'll be 6 inches, and then so you'll see this, you'll see the rabbit fur, and then you'll actually see the pommel and the handle and stuff. I think that's going to give it the best look I can give it. And that's definitely going to end the series for the mock-up piece. I think it's completely done. And I'm actually going to go into the full piece of leather. So what I'm going to be working on now is going to be the actual sheath. That will be the one and done thing. And that's the start of making my Renaissance outfit. Quick video this week, guys. So thanks for all your help. I know I haven't had any comments on the videos, but I know some people had made comments to me offside that actually know me, and I'm really taking into those things in consideration and stuff like that, and that's helped me out a lot. I've gotten a lot of support from my family on stuff, so thanks, guys. That really means a lot. Like and subscribe also helps me out a lot on these videos. Future down the road, I've been doing one a week, but I might take this to one a month. Just because some of the stuff I'm gonna do, it's long processes, and that's not going to be a weekly thing. It's going to be something that I'm going to take a little bit more time and really sit down. Where a mock-up, it's only, this is about 6 inches. I'm not actually going to measure it. I do have the leather that I'm going to use for the actual sheath. Here's going to be the sides. This will definitely be a two-part for the sides. Then this is going to be the center part. And I'll show you how I get the cutting into that in the actual video of making the sword and all that. But thanks for all your supports. Really like it. Thank you guys a lot.